My claim today is that tap water is better than bottled water. Why, you may ask? Because water has many untold secrets within its development and distribution. To begin with, I would like to give you some statistics gathered from a news article, Business Insider. In 2001, we spent $11.8 billion on any bottled water that you could find. It was nearly 9.7 billion gallons of water, putting the average cost of bottled water at $1.22 per gallon. And if you actually purchase like a 16.9 ounce, it would average to $7.50 per gallon. So that's like more than gas you're paying for. And it would and American Water Works Association showed that tap water costs only 0.004 of a dollar, which is not even 1 cent, guys, of a gallon. And that's like 1/300 the cost of bottled water, which is wow, whatever thought. And secondly, my next statement was a statement made by Dr. Kimball Johnson, a board certified diplomat of the American Board of Internal Medicine. And she said the FDA oversees the standards that apply to bottled water, but it doesn't have the ability to oversee a mandatory testing program like the Environmental Protection Agency does with public water supplies. So although it can recall once your problem has been found, but there's no guarantee that bottled water you bought is safe, because those other like mostly 70% of the water doesn't leave the state, so the FDA doesn't really have to check it. It's not really mandatory, but they still have to follow it, but it's not really checked, so you could have harmful water. And in the end, the factual data with another news article was from Sydney Morning Herald, which says that most plastics are made of long chains of hydrocarbon molecules built from simpler blocks called monomers. When plastics break down, they release small amounts of monomer chemicals and ingredients. This process happens more quickly when the plastic gets hot, so you guys could actually be drinking chemicals and all the substance found in plastic bottles, which can really harm your body. And this is what convinced me that tap water was better than